Good morning, students. Back to your online class. Chapter 13th. Okay. Computer Studies, Part 4. Shall we start, children? So, in this part, children, we are going to learn about emerging trends in storage devices. You must have understood what is storage devices. Yes, pen drives, hard disk. Okay. Your SD cards. You can see in this image multiple storage devices. Fine, children. All you people are using all these devices. First, we talk about in this field work attached storage, network attached storage. Okay, that is NAS. Then we talk about just opposite of it, SAN. First we will see what is NAS, children. You can see here the architecture of NAS. Here we are seeing the system, computer desktop, then mobile phones also, laptops also there. You can see access point, and we are having here the connections, and then after the above all which is required, that is NAS server. Let's see. Networks have been used from decades to expand the capacity of computing in an organizations. We know that it is possible to give prints to a network on a network printer, a printer that is connected to a network as devices, rather than being connected to a computer. Understood, children? Such a network printer has its own identity, unique IP address that makes it work faster than a printer shared on a computer. Network attached storage is similar technique. It is hard disk storage. A similar technique like it is hard disk storage mechanism that is assigned its own network address rather than being attached to an individual's computer. Understood, children? Let's say I have to take the printout and which I have to give to somebody. So from my place where I am sitting, I can give instruction to my printer through my mobile or through my computer system, which is connected to a NAS server, and the prints can be taken out. I don't need to just attach the printer to my individual phone or individual computer or laptop. Understood? That is connected through the network. Understood? The printer is connected through the network, and the printer is having its unique IP address. We can get the prints out through our network system. Understood, children? And the data is stored where? In server, not in particular individual's computer system. Now let's see about SAN. This was NAS, now SAN. As the name suggests, SAN, that is storage area network. As the name suggests, it is dedicated network for storage. It provides access to consolidated block level data storage. The basic idea of SAN is to allow an application server to have an uniform access of different storage devices such as hard disk arrays, tape libraries, and optical storage devices. Due to this information, the uniform access feature, these heterogeneous devices appear like locally attached devices to the operating system. Here you can see this storage area network image in your textbook, children, which has the implementation of SAN in an organization. Understood, children? Please have a textbook and have the picture of that. Now observe that the SAN is a type of local area network that is designed to handle large data transfer. It supports operation like data storage, retrieval and replication. To take the benefit of this technology, we need high-end servers, बच्चों, multiple disk arrays, fiber channel interconnection mechanism for communication. Got it? Next we have online storage options. अभी जो हमने देखा वो LAN based था. Understood? Now we will see online storage option. In online, you can see here, and you must have heard about it, you might be using also, children, the different options are given over here for online storage. What we require, examples, first we see CloudMe, Ubuntu One, Dropbox, Flickr, YouTube, and Windows Live, SkyDrive, and many more. So children, what we require, that is good internet connectivity for online storage. Some of free online storage options are available, which are A Drive, Microsoft Live SkyDrive, ForShared, Mozy, Dropbox, Box, Mediafire, DevShare, etc. They offer different services in online storage and provide us with different capacity of storage space. Some provides 5 GB, some provides 10 GB. Depends on the different kinds of online storage provider. Now we talk about the next is computer controlled devices. Yes children, computer controlled devices means those softwares which are controlling different devices in different fields. Let's we talk about military application. For military application we are having here different options, children. You can see auxiliary power unit, which is controlled by computer. Then air and water, diesel, okay, that is heaters, yes. Then we are having different other devices like air conditions. Then you can see air condition and NVAC systems, and hydraulic and electronic compressors system. Then we are having battery and diesel meters, number of the different devices which are used in these tanks and different highly used military applications. So you can see children how they are programmed through computer system and worked. Now we talk about intelligent home. Yes, here you can see different options for intelligent home control devices. On off button, then water heater control, you can see here, then wireless, wall mount TV, internet control, number of the things we are having here. Let's see. Today automated systems can monitor home security and other indoor activities. Yes children, who is on the behind of the door, at the main door somebody rings the bell, so you can, being at home, in your computer screen or in your TV screen, you can, which are connected with internet and all, which are internet enabled, there you can see the camera which is connected to your front door, so you can see who is other side of the door. And even that you can watch children multiple electrical appliances, you can take control of them. Let's see. Doors and windows of a house can be opened automatically based on certain activity or commands. Electronic appliances such as lights, fans, heater, air condition, and many more can be programmed to start or stop or change its setting between the operations. This technology assists the occupants irrespective of their state of mobility. अगर आप घर पे बैठे ही आप इनको ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं, जैसे आप आपके लिविंग रूम में बैठे हैं या हॉल रूम में या ड्राइंग में बैठे हैं, और यू सी दैट इन योर बेडरूम AC is on, तो you can control it with that mobile which is connected with all different systems, electrical appliances. वहाँ से भी आप इन्हें कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, ऑफ कर सकते हैं. आप एडवर्टाइजमेंट में भी आजकल दिखाया जाता है बच्चों. सो दिस वे यू कैन इवन ओपन द डोर विथ योर मोबाइल सिस्टम और विद द रिमोट सिस्टम, रिमोट कंट्रोल सिस्टम विथ इक्वली ईजीनेस. चाहे अगर घर पे कोई बंदा या फैमिली मेम्बर ठीक नहीं है, ही इज़ बेडरिडन, इवन दैट ही कैन manage or he can control the different appliances, electrical appliances which are connected through internet and which are controlled by computer or software programmed. Understood children? With very easiness. Now we talk about farming and animal husbandry. Yes, kheti or pashupalan. Agriculture is one such field where a lot of robotics have been tried and tested. So to name a few, automatic water allocation, pani dena based on soil condition, अपनी मिट्टी की कंडीशंस के अकॉर्डिंग. अंडरस्टूड. सो सच डिवाइसेस आर प्रोग्राम्ड. किस तरह की मिट्टी है, कैसा वेदर है और उधर कितना पानी बोर पंप से जाना चाहिए, दैट इज़ कम्प्लीटली प्रोग्राम्ड. ऑटोमेटिक हार्वेस्टिंग ऑफ क्रॉप. सो अब इन जगहों पे बच्चों ऑटोमेटिक रोबोटिक systems are to be also implied. So जहाँ पे खेती की what we can say harvesting of the crop also is to be done through computer control devices. Milking of cows and all these things you can see in children image in this image. अब बात करते हैं व्हीकल इंडस्ट्री. व्हीकल इंडस्ट्री यूजेस मोस्ट ऑफ द ऑटोमेटेड टूल्स अवेलेबल. नाउ it uses robotic arms that are able to perform multiple tasks during the car manufacturing process. The task that these robots can perform but not limited to are welding, cutting, lifting, sorting and bending. अब ये सारी चीज़ें व्हीकल इंडस्ट्री में थ्रू रोबोटिक्स दे आर टू बी डन. ओके, जहाँ मैन पावर या मैन्युअली दे आर नॉट टू बी टेकन. Vehicles today come with additional processors that make these vehicles smart compared to their previous versions. नेविगेशन सिस्टम आ गया है बच्चों व्हीकल्स में. आप सिर्फ उसमें आपका डेस्टिनेशन पॉइंट डाल दीजिए, अपने आप वो व्हीकल की स्क्रीन आपके स्टीयरिंग के पास आपको रास्ता दिखाएगी एंड यू कैन फॉलो द पाथ. फाइन. सो GPS आर नाउ not new in vehicles today. It is being used for getting directions, looking for the place, making sure that path is taken that is correct, जो रास्ता आपने लिया है वो सही है, and many more things also. Now children, we here see the Google driverless car. थोड़ी सी और advanced technology. Google has succeeded in introducing the Google driverless car. The project supported by Google is developing technology for driverless car. The US state of Nevada passed a law on June 29, 2011 permitting the operation of driverless cars in Nevada and California. The Nevada law came into effect on March 1st and 2012. 2011 जून 29 को लॉ पास किया गया, लेकिन इसे इफ़ेक्ट में लाया गया 1 मार्च 2012. एंड नेवादा डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मोटर व्हीकल इशूड द फर्स्ट लाइसेंस्ड कार फॉर अ सेल्फ ड्रिवन, जो खुद से चलती थी, ड्राइवरलेस कार इन May 2012. द लाइसेंस वॉज इशूड टू अ टोयोटा प्रियस modified with Google's experimental driverless technology. Here in this figure you can see children, this car has rotating sensor with 3D map of surroundings. Same way video camera it has to detect moving traffic and traffic lights. Same way here it has, you can see here, radar sensors at the front and back to determine the position of car. Got it? Image of Google driverless car children, which has sensor, interior, electric batteries, backup system, computer, rounded shape also it is. You can have more information about this on internet children. Now we talk about computer control devices in hospitals and entertainment. Hospitals, so children, all you know, may God forbid to take anybody to the hospital, but yes, hospitals, the patients, surgeries, patients diagnosis are to be taken care with computer control devices. So nothing to tell about more children, all you know. How come a patient who is in, let's say, Delhi, but not able to move again and again to any other city for its or her diagnosis, so he can take the consultation from the doctor who is giving him by seeing the condition and getting the reports on computer from that hospital where he is admitted and diagnose that patient children. The doctor can help the patient to make it, or even that children, laser techniques, then what we can say, the operations through seeing on computer screen, but and with the different computer devices, operation can be taken place on the patient as per the need of the patient. What we can say, that is curement. Understood, children? Now we're talking about entertainment. We all know movies, music, sports, but here entertainment are little different. In this, entertainment industry has also remained untouched, not untouched of the robotics trend. अब यहाँ हम बात करते हैं robotics की. Same robotics also in hospitals. While in this corona state, the patient which has to be taken care for corona treatment, there even robots are going to take the temperature check of the patients. Robots are moving to make them, to reach them food and rest other medicines. So you must have seen on advertisement, in news, children, how come the robotics are used and robotic technology is used with the because they all are computer controlled. So in hospitals and other fields of the life. So interactive robots that exhibit behavior and learning ability have been made by companies like Sony and Honda. इन robots को बच्चों प्रोग्राम किया जाता है. They are totally computer programmed. उनमें instructions वगैरह फीड किए जाते हैं और उन इंस्ट्रक्शंस के अकॉर्डिंग उन्हें क्या काम करना है, क्या रिएक्ट करना है, ये भी फीड किया जाता है. द रोबोट मैन्युफैक्चर्ड बाय सोनी कॉल्ड क्यूरियो, क्वेस्ट फॉर क्यूरियोसिटी, ओरिजिनली नेम्ड सोनी ड्रीम रोबोट, पहले इसका नाम था सोनी ड्रीम रोबोट, इज ह्यूमनॉइड एंटरटेनमेंट रोबोट दैट कैन मूव फ्रीली, प्ले विथ अ गोल्फ बॉल एंड कैन रिस्पॉन्ड टू वर्बल इंस्ट्रक्शन. ये रोबोट गोल्फ खेल सकता है, इधर उधर आराम से मूव कर सकता है और वर्बल इंस्ट्रक्शंस पे रिएक्ट भी करता है बच्चों. वाइल द रोबोट मैन्युफैक्चर्ड बाय होंडा क्यूरियो, which was made by or manufactured by Sony. Now we talk about Honda manufactured that called Herbo, can pick up, चीज़ें उठा सकता है, distinguish and analyze multiple simultaneous sound source without difficulty, different sounds पहचान सकता है. It can easily determine between sounds made by children playing on the side of the room or one side of the room or from the doorbell ringing. बच्चों के खेलने की आवाज़ और डोरबेल दोनों को recognize कर सकता है. Here we have shown you the image of Curio saluting the audience. The image you can see, children. Get more information on internet about them. Now outer space expedition and disaster management. Yes children, अगर आपको याद आए तो मूवी आपने देखी, understood, उसमें आपने कैसे देखा कि मंगलयान, how come it is reaching and the different parts of this satellite were getting opened. All they are not just like a game, children. They were completely controlled by computers and they were already programmed with their timings and controlled by computers at ISRO. Well, robotics can visit environments that are harmful to humans like volcanoes, deep oceans, moon, etc. This makes a good choice in terms of rescue operation in case of earthquakes and other natural calamities. जहाँ इंसान नहीं पहुँच सकता वहाँ हम अपने रोबोट्स को पहुँचाते हैं. And these robots, through their sensors, through their cameras, through rest of their different computer controlled features, they can help us out from seeing the situation, different situations. Understood? You must have heard about India's moon mission called Chandrayaan-1. It was one of the unmanned moon mission launched by the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO in October 2008 and operated until August 2009. A NASA instrument on board Chandrayaan-1 revealed water molecules in amounts greater than predicted. Water on moon is just one of the many crucial moon finding of this mission. ये अनमैन्ड बिना किसी ह्यूमन के जो ये Chandrayaan-1 which was sent to the space. So children, you can see here जिससे पता लगाया गया, तो इन अनमेन मून में जो अंदर टेक्नोलॉजी थी रोबोटिक, उससे पता लगाया गया कि चंद्रमा पे कुछ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स पाए गए हैं. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट डिजिटल फोटोग्राफी. इंटरेस्टिंग ना? सेल्फी, photographs, camera. Let's see. This is professional digital photography device. All you know, I know that. So what is photography? In year 2000, digital I must say photography. In year 2012, Nokia came with 41 megapixel camera. It promises 7728 multiplied 5354 resolution images. The whole idea of taking a photo and sharing it with our friends in real time on social networks is very fascinating. It's truly, children, very fascinating today. The children are people are crazy of taking the photograph, taking selfie and posted it or uploading it on internet or different social sites. The entry level digital cameras are facing a lot of competition from smartphones due to their capacity of taking photos as well as sharing capacity. To tackle the issue mentioned, Samsung has come up with an Android based camera called Galaxy. You can see, children, now so this camera today at this time it has got its different many versions, I must say advanced version. Here is the image of Galaxy front and back view, Samsung Galaxy camera. Now camera came with operating system. Yes, camera may be OS. Just imagine a camera with an operating system. Samsung claims that camera is the only truly connected camera in the world as it supports 3G and Wi-Fi. We can connect, upload, share and even post on our favorite social media. It also has auto cloud backup feature that automatically saves our precious photos into the cloud, that is internet storage, children. The instant we take from them, we take them to be called as a smart camera is also listens to our voice. Camera is able to perform operations based on our voice command. Yes, if we say 1 2 3 click or we clap, the camera capture the image. Got it? Now internet enabled television. Yes, now TVs are become smart TV. Now they have internet enabled. The simple phones have now become smartphones thanks to internet technology. The television also have gone through the drastic technological change from CRT to LED. कैथोड रे ट्यूब से अब ये LED पर आ गए. Today's we get flat smart television that can be wall mounted and are Wi-Fi enabled. ये फ्लैट स्मार्ट टीवी जो दीवार पे हम टांग सकते हैं, सबके घरों में है आजकल तो, और वो Wi-Fi enabled भी हैं बच्चों. Such televisions have ability to connect directly to the World Wide Web, to internet, and display content such as YouTube videos, then weather reports, streaming movies or television shows. We do not require any computer or outside equipment to display these contents. आप Netflix, Hotstar, ये सारी चीज़ें भी आपके इंटरनेट इनेबल टीवी पे देख सकते हैं. Technology is still in infancy and hence the internet contents that can be viewed by user vary from manufacturer to manufacturer. जैसे हर एक यूज़र सेम कंटेंट्स नहीं देखते, उसी तरह से हर मैन्युफैक्चर के प्रोडक्ट्स भी सेम नहीं होते. कुछ ना कुछ तो उनमें डिफरेंस रहता ही है बच्चों. फॉर इंस्टेंस, सम इंटरनेट इनेबल्ड टीवीज आर केपेबल ऑफ स्ट्रीमिंग डेटा फ्रॉम यूट्यूब, अमेजॉन video on demand, Picasa, web albums, Bloomberg News and Weather Channel. Other internet enabled TVs additionally display materials from eBay and Twitter. Further, some internet enabled television allows us access to Netflix vast library of films and TV shows. The internet enabled television also comes with embedded operating system, and you can connect the television to the internet using wireless medium or wired Ethernet connection. I hope you are getting all these things, children, nicely. Now we talk about green computing. Yes, what is green computing? Is that the computer in green color? No, children. Let's see. Here you can see energy star. Um, it is not only the money we are saving all the time, it is we are saving energy also. Let's see what is energy. Yes, electricity, energy. Green computing. What is green computing? That green computing is a practice of using computing resources efficiently. Yes, जैसे आपके घर में आप जिस रूम में नहीं बैठे वहाँ आप लाइट्स एंड फैंस ऑफ कर देते हैं, so you are saving the energy. Understood, children? Same way here also. Designing, manufacturing and disposing computer servers with no impact on environment. कंप्यूटर डिज़ाइन करना, मैन्युफैक्चर करना, इनका इन्वायरमेंट पे इतना इम्पैक्ट नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन इनको यूज़ करने से जितना फ़र्क पड़ता है आपके एनवायरनमेंट में, आपकी सराउंडिंग्स में जो रेडिएशंस निकलते हैं विच आर हार्मफुल यूजिंग नंबर ऑफ आवर्स कंटिन्यूसली ऑन टेलीविजन or on watching television or on using computers or mobiles, that is harmful not for even the human being but for the surroundings also, for nature also. They reduce the use of hazardous material, maximize energy efficiency during product's lifetime, और इससे प्रोडक्ट की लाइफ भी बढ़ती है बच्चों. If we are using smartly all these electronic and computer devices. Whenever we use computing device, we tend to use a resource that might cause problem to environment. Of course, use of technology always has two sides of coins. One that improves the quality of life and the other that might affect the environment. Global warming is one such side effect of excessive use of technology. Green computing is a term that signifies efficient use of computing रिसोर्सेज. ग्रीन कंप्यूटिंग का अर्थ ही यही है बच्चों कि हम अपने जितने भी कंप्यूटिंग रिसोर्सेज हैं या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक अप्लायंसेस हैं, हम उनका कितना स्मार्टली और बेहतर ढंग से यूज़ करते हैं. इफ़ दे आर नॉट टू बी इन यूज़, सो दे मस्ट बी स्विच्ड ऑफ और इन स्टैंड बाय मोड, बट दे शुड नॉट गेट ऑन. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? The sleep mode function of computer monitors was one of the first result of green computing initiative. This mode is now available in many other devices. It places the electronic device on standby mode if no user activity is detected during a preset period of time. So, virtualization of servers is the current trend in green computing. Rather than using multiple multiple machines as servers, companies today use one high-end server with virtualization and create multiple servers from it. Virtualization means only the image is falling, let's say keyboard. So from your system, computer system, you are getting the keyboard image on a surface and you can use it, children. Same way when you are not watching TV or late night you are watching TV, you don't get to know कि when you are come into a proper, I mean to say when you are getting sleep or slept. So in that case आपको आँख लगने के बाद भी your TV gets off itself because you have given timings of the television in sleep mode. Got it? So this is also comes in the green computing, children. Now we come to the summary of this chapter. Here I am getting this chapter and so देख लेते हैं हमने क्या पढ़ा चारों पार्ट्स में एक बार फिर से. In this chapter, we learnt about some emerging trends in computing technologies. We saw two computing domains called mobile computing and cloud computing. हमने different architectures देखे cloud computing के, SaaS, PaaS and IaaS. We also saw the different technologies used in identify a human or an object like RFID, GPS and biometrics. Same way, children, we had a look at emerging trends of storing data, that is data storage architecture. We have seen NAS and SAN. with different online storage option also we have seen. robotics हमने देखा, robotics and computer control device जो आज की डेट में यूज़ किए जाते हैं different fields of the life. So we had also looked at some such technologies. Finally we had looked at the some technology convergence in form of digital cameras and internet enabled televisions. The last topic, green computing, addressed the issue of global warming and how it can be tackled using small steps. Children, I hope you got it very nicely. Please children, take care of your environment, surroundings, and be careful while using the different smartphones, televisions, or different smart appliances. Thank you children. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Take care till the next we meet. God bless you. Thank you children for your attention. Have a good day.